Hi everybody, it's Velvet. I am doing a very quick haul video today. I got some Aliexpress stuff yesterday, I think. Let me apologize in advance. My husband is mowing the lawn. I just wanted to get this video done so that I can take care of all this stuff. But yesterday I got a whole bunch of packages from Aliexpress, and they all contain some awesome ribbon and trim that I bought. So you can see that one. It's gray and white. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I'm not sure how I'll use it, but I'll find a use for it. It is pretty. And I don't see anything wrong with it right now, so I would definitely buy from that store again. Maybe if they had different colors in that. Here's one. If I can figure out how to open it. Apologies for the noise. So this is obviously a couple different things I got. Kind of looks like a bunch of different things. Interesting ways of wrapping them up, but that's okay. So there's this one. That's pretty. There's this one. Another nice one. This one's a little bit lighter. Very pretty. Here's some thinner ones. These are nice. And I don't know if you can tell in the video, but they're not say up, well, like this one is more of an ecru, and this one looks more white, depending on the light. But I'm sure they will take coffee dye or tea dye quite nicely. So also in this package, so it looks like you get about a yard of each. I guess I ordered a bunch of them. There's another thin one. That's nice. These will make really nice edges, I think, in the journals. That one's really pretty. That one would be nice for cards, too, I think. There's this one. That one's nice. I stick a little bow in there. Little flower. That's cute. I like that design very much. It's a little bit different. There's another one it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, and it's an off-white. That's pretty. And then the last one in that package, this one. Very plain, but very cool. I like how thin it is. It might be nice for bows. So that's that. So there's a couple. And then this package. Looks like they wrapped everything separately, so I wouldn't typically go through each and every one, but I kind of want to put them away neatly so that I know what I've got instead of just grabbing the first thing I see all the time. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Very pretty. Sorry for this glare. Let's see if I can... Baxter, what are you doing? He's into something. Yeah, that's really nice. Very nice. This one looks interesting. Look like it's fabric. It looks more like little plastic pearls or something. Oh, it is, yeah. Huh, that's cute. That might be pretty for a cover, a junk journal cover. Give you enough of it too. Ooh, this is a nice ribbon. Script on it. It looks to be French. I think I knew that, but it looks like you get a lot of it too. That's nice. That's going to be very pretty. Oh, this is great timing because this has some sewing stuff on it. My next journal is going to be a sewing journal. That's nice. Yeah. I will be using that for sure. Very nice. I like it. And you have a lot. Guess I can get a theme going through that with the ribbon. Oh, I forgot I got these tassels. Oh, they're a great size. Oh, good. I was hoping they wouldn't be too large, so I'm really glad to see this. I thought they would be cute on dangles on a journal. So I don't know how many you get in there. It looks to be maybe 25. This is interesting trim. I try not to make too much noise. Packaging noise bothers me, I'll be honest. So I try not to make too much noise. And I'm failing miserably right now. All right. Oh, this is what it is. See, sometimes these packages take so long that I forget what I ordered. Other times they're here so quickly. But look at this. This is cool. Gosh, I could use this in a lot of different things. You could put this on cards, on scrapbook layouts, definitely in journals. Out of the way. Here's just a very nice plain one. It's a burlap. Oh, if only I could find the opening easily. That's nice. I like trim like that. We'll just add something to a page, I think. And then the last one from this package, got a floral, which wouldn't be my typical style, but I know that I want to do a journal with some floral pages because I got a bunch off of Etsy, some digitals that I printed, and I thought I would probably need some digital ribbon as well, so that's nice. And then what's in this other pack? Oh, okay, so this I think is just one particular, okay, so it's 40 yards. Did I say 40 yards? 5 yards. And it's the size is 40 millimeter. That's nice. Yep, I like that. So this, I could see this being a regular in some of the journals, so I'm glad I got the 5 yards. And I wouldn't order on Aliexpress for this stuff, except that it's pretty cheap. And a lot of times you can find free shipping for it. So I'm pleased about that. Oh, the dog's going nuts. And then I thought I'd really quick show you the books that I've gotten lately. If I can find them easily. Bear with me. As Gail would say, talk amongst yourselves. So, I think these are, whoopsie. These are the things that I've gotten. Okay. I'm going to move you up. Oh, that glare. It's just awful, isn't it? That's the ring light that I got. And then this glare over here is from the overhead lights, the little ceiling canister lights. Ay. All right, so this one is a Catherine Hamilton book. England is a Garden, a Wayfarer's Companion. I got this one off of Thrift Books. Christmas 92. Isn't that nice? This has got some really lovely illustrations. I can't wait to use some of these. Look how pretty. Oh, just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Maybe that should be my next journal, a floral one. Wildflowers of America. I am so happy to have gotten this. This one also was from Thrift Books. So it says 400 flowers in full color. This is, well, we're missing a little piece. The last name is Rickett. Let's see if we can get I know it's not old. Well, 1978. I mean, that's not old, but it's older than I thought it was. Pretty, so pretty. Look at this. And then it's got information about all of these, which is kind of cool. Isn't that great? Oh, I love it. I love it. And the pages, I think the pages would be a really great size to fold in half in a junk journal. Yeah, I am so pleased with this. Oh, and these would make great pockets too. Look at these. Oh my gosh. So many. This was definitely worth it. I'm certain that none of these books that I bought were more than $15 each. I'm certain of it. I don't usually spend a whole lot on my books, so I keep them in my wish list, and you know, as I see the prices go down, I will pick them up. So this one is Bird Egg Feather Nest, and she's got a series of these. I happen to like this one. I'm pretty sure she's got something with plants. I'm not absolutely positive. 1992 is this one. But this too has some nice illustrations. And she's got some stories in here too. It's just interesting, I think. I thought it was just interesting. Also, my mom was a huge fan of hummingbirds and of cardinals. So I'm sure, so there's a hummingbird there. So I've got to make something in her honor, of course. Yeah, so it's just, I just think this is nice. The pages are, I wouldn't say glossy, but they're definitely not a matte page. I tend to avoid a glossier page for stuff just because if I can avoid using gesso, I like to, and glossy pages don't take the ink as well, but as my mom would say, beggars can't be choosers, right? So this one I got when I was in Canada. Did I show you this one before? I may have done a haul on this one. If so, disregard. Fast forward. So there's a secondhand store. It's a lot like a Goodwill here. That's right near my mother-in-law's house in Mississauga. And I like looking for books there that I can tear apart because they're cheap. So there's this one. This is cool. It's got some nice pictures, I think. And the pages are just nice. These are nice pages. And it was pretty, it's like buy 4, get 1 free, and it was like maybe $2 a piece or something. This one also, okay, so this one was $4 Canadian, so, you know, maybe $3.50 American. And this is the birthday book, and, oh, I forgot, I ripped out some recipes I wanted to try of a Betty Crocker book that I got at the same store. So this is a book that you write birthdays in, and it was pretty because it has, it's blank, it's got some blank, you know, some blank pages that would be really great in a journal, but then it's got really pretty pictures of flowers too. Isn't that cool? Look at that vase. Oh, I love it. Very nice things here, I think. The book would probably make a beautiful small junk journal. You know, just keep the spine intact and just put like 1 or 2 signatures in it. I think that would be very nice. So, there's that. And then I got this. I think this, where did I get this? This may have come from Canada too. I feel like it probably did. Or, no, I got this on eBay. That's right. I think it was like $10. So this is all birds. Again, you know, some of these pages would be great in a junk journal, and then you can cut up these to make pockets or tucks and stuff out of. So this is pretty nice. That's a nice cover too. Look at that. Nice solid cover. Very sturdy. Oh, and then there's one more, and it's a small one. I was a little disappointed at how small it was, but it can be used. It can absolutely be used, and you can tell this was used in the past. So this one I got from Thrift Books. And because it was well used, I think the pages will come out nicely. I love that it's got, you know, all the butterflies. Isn't that nice? So you could even fussy cut some of these. You know, maybe glue this down on a thicker piece of paper, cardstock or something, and fussy cut it for cards, for journals, for scrapbook layouts. So this is a really nice book. It's, you know, every single page has photos, so I mean, you can't complain about that. So again, this was from Thrift Books too. So yeah, that's what is this? This is kind of cool. I'm planning to use this in something. It's from an art gallery that I belong to in the city. If anything was truly original, nobody would understand it. That's so true. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. I appreciate all the subscriptions and all of the likes. It means quite a bit to me. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye.